Hello everyone. This is Francesco from Lucano. This is our brand, so I represent the fourth generation. We were born in the 1894. A secret recipe handed down from the first generation to the fourth. So I told you that I represent the fourth generation with my siblings, my sister Letizia and my brother Leonardo. We are here and we belong to the consortium The Spirit of Italy. So it's a little consortium that represents the best spirits of Italy and the best soul of Italy, because we custodied from the beginning the tradition of the production of the Amaro, the typical herbal liqueur, as the Amaro Lucano. Amaro Lucano, the recipe is composed by 32 herbs with the addition of 4 different essential oils. There are 3 different processes inside. There is the macerations, there is the distillations, and at the end there is a little infusion of different extracts with different timing, different secrets. And at the end of every aging of the extracts, we used to adding caramel, sugar and alcohol, and then we put the liquid, reunite it in the bottling line for the production. This is a representation of some of herbs that stay inside the recipes, not all because it's a secret, and it's not correct to say that we have just all herbs, because we have also botanicals. So there are inside beans, there are inside flowers, fruits. So it's a very interesting mix in infusion to produce this special Amaro. We're starting from the traditional one with the yellow label with the brand Amaro Lucano. It's important to underline where we are located. We are located in the southern of Italy. The name of the region where we come from is called Basilicata or Lucania. That's why the name of the product is Amaro Lucano. So the people that comes from that region. It's interesting that at the beginning we started with production of the Amaro Lucano. So we are so famous for the Amaro Lucano. 28 ABV of alcohol is important to underline. Then in the 2014, just to celebrate 125 years of history, we produced the Amaro Anniversario, the name of the Amaro Anniversary, just to celebrate 125 years of our history. So the difference, the most important difference is the presence of more alcohol, 34 ABV against 28 of ABV. The sensation when you drink the product is different, because the first one is you feel when you drink the product, you feel the bitter orange. Also, for example, the typical sensation of something very not much sweet, but sweeter than the premium version. Because in the premium version, because of the presence of more alcohol, all the flavors, herbaceous flavors, comes up from gentian, or for example, all the bitterness sensation comes up. We used to say that we have like a vertical, because we're starting from Amaro Lucano version, the traditional one, then the Anniversario, and then we arrived with the top of our category, or the top of our portfolio is called Essenza. Essenza is the same name of our museum that we opened up in 2019. At the beginning was invented just to celebrate our museum, but now is a stable product because we took a lot of success, thanks God. This is a very interesting product because we're starting from the same liquid, so 34 ABV, but the difference is the aging, because it's the first product aged in our history, aged in oak barrels that comes from France and comes from United States. The liquid is like a mixed from the aged in those two different oaks. The period, the duration of the aging is 1 year. The interesting thing that before of the oak barrels, those oak barrels have guested for 3 years wine Amarone, and then for 2 years more grappa. Then we're gonna make empty completely the oaks, and we put the liquid of Amaro Anniversario inside for 1 year. So there is a very interesting exchange of notes from the booths that stay in the wall of the oaks and the liquid that stay inside. So now you have like you want to test something, but it's impossible.
Definitely.
And the other news is the Lucano Zero. So you can recognize we inspired from the ancient label. So it's a blue version that comes from the garment of the girl that stay here. That is called Pacchiana. It's the typical girls that represents the customs of our region of Basilicata. This is zero ABV, so it's a very trendy product, suitable for every target. And when you drink this kind of products, because of the presence of the same bouquet that stay in the Amaro version without alcohol, you feel the same sensation. So you can find all the notes that you have in the Amaro Lucano version. The other products that gonna compose our portfolio, there is the cordial liqueur. So it's a liqueur with the robusta coffee inside, and then limoncello that is based on lemon PGI with the plant that we have, thanks to the plant that we have in Penisola Sorrentina. This is a little representation of our products. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, it's really smooth.